Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dip manicure kits that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the AZUREBEAUTY 31-piece Dip Powder Nail Kit. The AZUREBEAUTY Dip Powder Kit offers an all-in-one solution for beautiful, long-lasting nails. You get 20 vibrant colors and essential liquids like base coat and activator, so you have everything needed for a complete manicure. The high-quality powders provide a natural, shiny finish that can last up to 28 days, perfect for those with busy lifestyles. You won't need a nail dryer since this kit air dries quickly and is gentle on your skin and nails. Plus, it's easy enough for beginners, making it a great choice for at-home nail art without the hassle of complicated tools. Moving on, at number 4 we have the AZUREBEAUTY Dip Powder Nail Kit. The AZUREBEAUTY Nail Dip Kit offers a complete solution for at-home manicures with 92 pieces, including 24 vibrant dip powders and essential liquids. You'll appreciate the easy application that doesn't require a nail lamp, allowing you to achieve beautiful nails quickly and safely. The included portable electric nail drill, featuring adjustable speeds and multiple bits, makes it simple to handle various tasks like cuticle removal and polishing. Plus, the long-lasting dip powders resist chipping and peeling, ensuring your nails remain stunning for over 28 days, perfect for those with busy lifestyles. At number 3, we have the AZUREBEAUTY Dip Powder Nail Kit Starter Set. The AZUREBEAUTY Dip Powder Kit offers a complete nail care solution with 4 beautiful color powders, including nude, glitter, baby pink, and clear white, giving you versatile options for your manicure. It comes with essential liquids like base coat, activator, and top coat, making the process smooth and easy. You don't need any special lamps to cure the nails, which saves time and is gentle on your skin. Plus, the formula is enriched with vitamins and calcium, ensuring your nails stay healthy and strong while enjoying a long-lasting, shiny finish that can last over 28 days with proper care. At number 2, we have the Beetles 27 Pieces Dip Powder Nail Kit. The Beetles Dip Powder Kit offers a healthy and safe way to achieve beautiful nails. With 20 colors, including shades of nude, pink, and blue, this set promotes stronger nail growth without damaging your nail bed. You'll appreciate the long-lasting formula that resists chips and shines for up to 3 weeks, all without needing a UV lamp, making it easier on your skin. Plus, the kit is beginner-friendly, providing a smooth application process that saves you time and effort. Enjoy the convenience of a complete set that includes everything you need for a stunning manicure. And finally, at number 1, we have the AZUREBEAUTY Valentine 6-Color Dip Powder Set. The AZUREBEAUTY Dip Powder Kit offers you a set of 6 stunning colors, including shimmering silver and rich burgundy red, perfect for creating a dazzling manicure. This kit ensures long-lasting, chip-resistant nails that can stay vibrant and shiny for nearly a month, saving you frequent touch-ups. Made with a gentle formula rich in calcium and vitamins, it's safe for your nails and free from harsh chemicals, helping keep your nail beds healthy. Plus, you don't need a nail lamp to cure the polish, making the application faster and more convenient, whether you're a beginner or a professional. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.